Hi there! In today's video tutorial we would like to demonstrate how you can activate, manage and basically use the keyboard clipboard on this Oukitel K13 Pro smartphone. So first of all you want to launch the keyboard. Once the keyboard is active, tap on this icon that stands for the clipboard itself. Next, choose to turn on the clipboard and, well, from now on the clipboard of your keyboard is activated. Next, if you want to remove some of the elements, tap on this pencil, choose what elements you would like to get rid of, and then click on the trash bin. And respectively, if you want to add something to the clipboard, you gotta type it in, copy, and once I get back to the clipboard, I'll see that the car element has been successfully added to it. And for now, you can just open the clipboard and paste any element you have over here, just by simply tapping on it. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.